Hello, everyone. Welcome to Diversity Thursdays. I am Tengumuna with Achaibo Clinical, and I'm delighted that you're here. These coming weeks, we're going to dive deeper into the Yoga Sutras. For the month of July, as you have noticed, our material and our content will be focusing on the Yoga Sutras and diversity in clinical trials. But to be honest with you guys, most of the work that I do in clinical trials, the inspiration comes from the Yoga Sutras, because the Yoga Sutras really transformed my life when I stumbled on them a long time ago. The Yoga Sutras were a strong foundation for me in terms of my spiritual growth. And this energy somehow just morphed and blended with my clinical research career, causing all these ideas of creativity, causing me to really focus on diversity in the clinical trials industry. In the next few weeks, the videos are going to be about how we can unravel unity and blend the ideas of the Yoga Sutra and to ensure that we actually have diversity in the clinical trials world. It is a unique journey. There are going to be intersections between the Yoga Sutra philosophy and modern medical research. It is going to be an interesting journey. And together, we are going to dive deep into the Yoga Sutras, at least the concepts and how that can intersect with promoting diversity in clinical trials. And we're going to journey together. This is a time of infinite ideas. It's a time of infinite strategies. And it is a blessing for me to be able to have tools and resources that I can now use to bring forward a lot of the ideas that I've had about the Yoga Sutras and how we can use it to transform our lives as clinical researchers, promoting diversity, ensuring patient safety in clinical trials. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your notifications so you do not miss an episode. Buckle up, get ready to unravel, and let us journey together and look at some of the concepts from the Yoga Sutras that we can apply in the clinical research world. I look forward to this wonderful journey with you, and I will see you on the week 1 video.